Yo guys, what's up? My name's Nick, and right now I'm gonna open up the Yeezy 700s, the new Johns, and I'll tell you guys my honest opinions on them. Alright guys, so just got them right here, and I'm gonna come show you guys what I think. Um, um these are disgusting. Um, and the pictures did these like. I mean, I think the pictures kind of did us, the consumers, dirty because these are fucking ugly. Uh, mm, uh, the other wave runners were like gray and blue and orange and like they were sick, but these are kind of just like these kind of look like fucking like Bill Cosby shoes, honestly. And Bill Cosby isn't cool right now for obvious reasons, unless you're into that, which I mean you're fucking disgusting. But these, I don't know, dog. These are some Bill Cosby shoes, not no shit. Yeah.